As we shift our weight to one leg, lift the toes on the other, open the hip and shoulder together. And just come out as far as our body will take us. Now we roll back in. We alternate our hands, so our other hand comes up to meet, and then we rotate and open through the other side of the body. See if you can really slow this down. Eyes stay on the fingers. Spine is straight. We're looking for this harmony between our hip and shoulder, our elbow and knee, and our hand and foot, the three external harmonies. All our weight is on the back of the body as we turn. And once you feel like you've got the movement, just listen to the breath. Each breath arriving, each breath leaving.